Okay, I know we didn't like the rest of this stuff. You want to try these? These are pears. Want to try some?
Oh! The rest of it wouldn't go down so easy.
Again? And then? No, this is.
Oh. Don't want to waste any of those nose pears.
Pears.
Yummy.
Clean it off the spoon.
Yummy. I just could.
She knows where it comes from now.
Yummy? I just yummy?